Hello guys, welcome to my video series tutorial to learn bot framework. In this tutorial we are going to learn hero card. So far we've seen overview of cards in bot framework and animation card on sample we've seen. So this tutorial I'm going to focus on hero card. Hero card is another type of card in bot application. The main purpose of this card used in display the large image in the client app or any other channels. Whenever you require to display the large image or for example if you want to display some ad the channel something like that, in that case you can use this hero card. So image is taking high priority for this card, and it will display the ratio of 16.9 ratio. And this card supports actions also. That means you can add the button over the card, and if user interact the card, we can open we can implement any any logic, or we can open URL also. So we'll move to Visual Studio Code, and we write on sample how to implement hero card into our application. So I move on to Visual Studio Code. Here I created one folder called hero card. I just copy the old code to here, the basic things. I'm going to write the main concept, hero card, how to implement. So as I said earlier, all the card should import from this schema, bot builder schema. So hero card also the same. Just type hero card. Next thing is I just go to here. I will write basic required code. It's called hero card. So first I will write the title. What is the title of this card? I will mention the sample of hero card in bot using Python. As I said earlier, the image is a high priority in the hero card, so it must has to declare. So next I will define my image. Next, if you want to declare the image, we cannot directly put in the URL. It should be come from the card image. So we have to pass our URL to the card image. That card image has to assign to the images. So card image also it's available in the same schema, bot builder schema. I just import that one card image. So I come over here, I just make a card image. The card image I will assign URL. So here URL we have to assign. Already define one URL. Just a note, already note on in my notepad. I just copy the same URL here. Copied, yeah, and I pasted. Fine. So next we are going to implement the action. So if I click this card, some action is required. Maybe we can open the external URL from this our application. So I'm just implement buttons. And one more thing, hero card support default maximum 6 buttons, so we cannot implement more on that. Just note in case. Button also same, we cannot directly implement actions something like that. Button click, as a desktop developer, they implement button click even something like that. Here we cannot do like this. What we have to do, this action also required from the using action card, sorry, card action. It should be derived from the card action. Then we have to assign to the buttons. So card action also same. It's available in the bot builder schema. We have to just implement card action. So card action, it's loading. Yeah. Next, we have to define the type. Okay, what type of action this one? First, we will see the action types that also available in the bot builder schema. Action types. Just come over here and check it. Action types dot. There are different type of actions type is available. Open URL, play audio, video. Yeah, there are so many things. I want to open the URL, so I'm using the open URL here. Next, I have to define the URL. One second, sorry. Yeah, action type defined. Next, type has defined. Next, what we have to do, we have to make the no name of the button. We have to write the name of the button. Correct. So we defined this is a open URL button. Next, title. So title I'm defining here and open URL. I just make the same thing. Uh, 1 minute. I just close it. Next, value. Okay, what I need to open? Button is there. Action also I mentioned. Title also given. So value come to the picture here. To what action has to take. Okay, what I need to execute. So that has to be defined in the value field. So value field, I just type maybe www.bot framework, or I don't know whether that URL is available or not. I will check. Just paste the botframework.com. That's it. So our hero card is ready. So this card has to be converted to attachment, so that attachment message factory has taken care, and finally it will display to the user or channel. Okay, for that I have to use the card factory. It's already discussed in our last tutorial, the animation card. So I'm just using the card factory. In the card factory I have to define, sorry, I have to call the hero card, just passing the hero card function. That's it. Save. Just make sure there is no error. Sorry, close it, restart. Yeah, seems to be okay. uh, Open the main application, sorry, app.py, run it. Our application started. Just open the bot builder community, sorry, bot builder emulator. Open the URI, and here I just send the message hi. That's it. So our hero card displaying here. As you see here, this image is taking the large partition of the our card. This guy occupying all the things, and this area is the title of the our card. So first we define no sample hero card in bot using Python. So this is a title, and the next one is the action area. This is a button. So if I click this one, prompt automatically will prompt it will come. So do you want to open this URL? If you give the confirmation, the URL it will open. That's it. Back to our emulator, and yeah, fine. So guys, I think you can able to understand this one hero card, and what is use of the hero card, where should I use the hero card, and the sample code. This code I will update my GitHub. If you have any doubt, please comment it or send a Twitter message. I will try to address your questions. Thanks to all. Bye.